Welcome to today's explainer. For a lot of store owners, optimization completely stops the second a customer hits the product page. But today, we're going to flip that script entirely. We're going to transform your checkout page from a transactional dead end right into a dynamic revenue engine.
So let's talk about a massive leaky bucket. Industry data tells us that nearly 70% of shoppers abandon their carts right at the final hurdle. Just think about that for a second. You spend all this time, all this ad budget getting people to your store, they find something they actually like, add it to their cart, and then poof, 7 out of 10 of them just vanish. A clunky, generic, or confusing checkout is honestly one of the single biggest sources of lost revenue in e-commerce today.
It really helps to think of your checkout as the crucial last mile of the customer journey. Look, your homepage and your product pages, those are built to create desire. But this final page, it absolutely must create ironclad trust before anyone is going to enter their sensitive payment info. This is that precise make-or-break moment where a casual browser transitions into a paying customer. If that experience feels visually disconnected from your brand, well, all that hard-earned trust just evaporates in an instant.
Okay, so here's our structured playbook for today's explainer. We'll kick things off with the ultimate moment of truth, compare standard versus plus rules, walk through a 5-step customization playbook, dive into some pre- and post-checkout hacks, and wrap it all up with real-world checkout success stories.
All right, jumping right into Section 1, the ultimate moment of truth. We're focusing on creating trust at the final hurdle.
Honestly, fixing this trust issue is probably the absolute highest impact thing you can do for your store. It literally raises the ROI on every single ad you've ever run. And the way we fix it today is with checkout extensibility. This is Shopify's modern upgrade-safe framework. The best part, absolutely no coding required. We are officially past the dark ages of hacking together those complex checkout.liquid files. That's basically obsolete now. Instead, we're embracing a standardized, one-page checkout that's engineered specifically for a faster, higher-converting experience.
Moving right along to Section 2, Standard Shopify vs. Plus, the new checkout rules.
Before we get into the exact tactics, it's super important to understand where the boundaries are. If you're on a regular Shopify plan, you have everything you need for visual trust building. Stuff like matching your brand colors and enabling express checkout. But upgrading to Plus, that unlocks the heavy structural power. We're talking custom form fields, logic editing, and plugging in those highly lucrative in-checkout revenue drivers using UI extensions.
Which brings us to Section 3, the 5-step customization playbook, featuring no-code hacks for any plan. The really crucial takeaway here is that literally anyone, regardless of your plan tier, can implement these strategic adjustments right from the Shopify admin today. We're going to walk through 5 high-impact, completely no-code steps by natively matching your brand identity, using the language editor hack, activating express and guest checkouts, and completely rethinking your thank you pages. You guarantee your checkout both secures the sale and perfectly mirrors your brand's quality.
Let's actually zero in on Step 2 for a second, because it's a real game changer. Utilizing the language editor hack to swap out a generic button for something that implies safety is a proven way to drastically reduce last-second abandonment. By just popping into your theme content settings and changing Pay Now to Place Secure Order, you actively reassure the customer right before they hand over their credit card details. It takes maybe 2 minutes to do, but the psychological impact on trust is absolutely massive.
And speaking of massive impacts, consider this stat. 91%. When you let customers skip forms entirely using ShopPay, you see an enormous 91% higher conversion rate on mobile. Plus, it's literally 4 times faster. Combine that frictionless ShopPay experience with a simple guest checkout option, and you are actively tearing down every single wall standing in the way of an impulse buy. All right, shifting gears to Section 4, pre- and post-checkout hacks, where we are maximizing UX and AOV. You see, a high-converting checkout experience actually kicks off before the customer ever sees a payment form. Using dynamic Buy It Now buttons lets single-item buyers skip the cart entirely. And for multiple items, swap out that clunky cart page for a sleek slide-out drawer to keep them engaged. And this is absolutely crucial, implementing an upfront shipping calculator removes unexpected costs, which is literally the #1 reason people abandon their carts. Now, if you happen to be on Shopify Plus, dropping in an app like Quickify turns your checkout into an absolute Swiss Army knife. You can collect vital logistics data like asking, hey, are there stairs for this furniture delivery? Or you can drop in a slick little progress bar that says, you're only $10 away from free shipping. You're actively driving up that average order value directly on the payment page, exactly when their buying intent is at its absolute highest. Theory is great and all, but let's see what this looks like in the wild. Section 5. Real-world checkout success stories, featuring tailor-stitch,
Tentree, and Allbirds.
First up, menswear brand Tailor Stitch. These guys are absolute pros at neutralizing buyer anxiety. They stick express payments right at the top to instantly fast-track returning users. But the real magic is their long-haul guarantee custom block. They explicitly promise free repairs or replacements right below the final price. It's a complete risk reversal precisely at the moment the buyer might be second-guessing things.
Next, we've got Tentree, and this is just a masterclass in making upsells feel authentic rather than purely transactional. They don't just sell basic shipping protection. They pair it with planting a tree. They even offer a one-click option to sequester carbon emissions. Doing this absolutely skyrockets adoption rates. Plus, they use a custom yellow banner to warn shoppers about international shipping duties up front, which saves them from a ton of frustrating post-purchase support tickets.
And finally, Allbirds. They have absolutely nailed the digital impulse buy. They drop a "You Might Also Like" section with heavily discounted accessories directly into the order summary. It's exactly like grabbing a candy bar at the grocery store register. But they also keep a persistent live chat widget right there as a safety net to save any sales that might otherwise be lost to last-minute sizing doubts.
So, pulling all these source strategies together, what's the ultimate expert playbook? Number 1, treat your checkout speed like it's an SEO metric. Keep it lean, because sluggish checkouts are conversion killers. 2, always A/B test your trust signals before you start arguing over button colors. And 3, the biggest missed opportunity out there is treating the order confirmation page like a simple digital receipt. Instead, capture their attention when their dopamine levels are peaking by using a post-purchase app like Reconvert.
So I want to leave you with this final kind of provocative thought. Is your thank you page just a dead end, or is it the launch pad for your next sales cycle? It's time to start looking at your customized, frictionless checkout as your ultimate automated sales rep. Implement these visual trust signals, take advantage of the extensibility framework, and for sure, stop leaving money on the table. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.